Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Revolut. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is we first have to gather details for our Revolut account. So that includes our international bank account number and our routing number. Now in this case, it is suggested that you reach out to Revolut support for the details on how to get those information. But in this case, once you've got your information there, what we need to do here to make a transaction is we need to go to westernunion.com/US, and from here we want to basically log in into our account. Now from here at the top section here, enter the amount that you want to transfer and make sure that you also choose USD here. Now from here, click on send money now. Now from here, it's going to ask you a few details about yourself, and in this case, go ahead and answer those details. So in this case, how does your receiver want to receive money? Choose bank account, and from here, how would you like to pay? So choose the appropriate one. Now from here, just hit on continue. And from here, again, you'll need to provide the following details. So that includes the receiver names or details here, as well as the receiver's bank account information. Now from here, include the bank name, the account type, the routing number, as well as the account number, which is in this case going to be the international bank account number. Now here, the confirmation of that account number, and from here, just click on continue to proceed with the transaction, and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.